Hi and welcome to this introductory lesson. In this video we're going to talk about my top 5 Rumba Flamenca strumming patterns for absolute beginners, so let's jump right into the material. If you haven't seen my video, Easy Percussive Rumba Strumming, that's also on my channel, I will put a card up here for you. I highly recommend watching that video before continuing on with this lesson, as the concepts from that lesson will carry over into this class. But if you're ready to begin, let's go ahead and get started. Pattern number 1, we have down, down, up, down, up, down, up. And for all of these patterns, we're going to hold an E minor chord with 2 fingers just to get used to strumming. So remember, your middle finger is 2nd fret on the A string for this note. And then your ring finger is 2nd fret on D for this note, and everything else is open. So first we have down, down, up, down, up, down, up as our first pattern. If I count this, it's going to be 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and, is how we would typically count it in music. So we start with a down on beat 1, so down, or 1, and then everything else is what we call an eighth note, so we're going to go 2, and 3, and 4, and, so this is down, up, down, up, down, up. So the whole pattern is down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and that is pattern number 1. Pattern number 2 you might recognize if you play a lot of pop songs. This pattern goes like this. It is down, down, up, down, up. Very common strumming pattern in guitar music in general. So we start with 2 downs in a row, also on the E minor chord. We're going to go down, down, and this is 1, 2. Next we have 2 ups in a row, and then we finish with a down, up. And if I count this, it's 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. So there's this little pause where beat 3 would be. So 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. Or down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. And that is pattern number 2. Pattern number 3, we have down, up, down, up, down, up, or 1 and 2, and 3, and 4, and. So again, similar to pattern 2, I hold beat 3 and leave that empty. So we have 1 and 2, and 3, and 4, and. Down, up, down, up, down, up. So on the E minor chord, we're going to go down, up, 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 down, up. Or 1 and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1 and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1 and 2, and 3, and 4, 1 and 2, and 3, and 4, and. And that is pattern number 3. Pattern number 4 is a continuation of pattern number 3. And pattern number 3, we did down, up, down, up, down, up. In pattern 4, this new one, we're going to go down, up, slap, up, down, up. So if you are familiar with the Gypsy Kings, this is very similar to the style of rumba that they would be playing by adding percussive elements into the strumming. And again, if you haven't seen my video, Easy Percussive Rumba Strumming, go ahead and click above and I'll put a card up there so you can learn how I am doing these percussive effects. So, we have down, up is the first half. So 1 and 2 and. On beat 3, we slap the guitar. So 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2 and 3. Or down, up, slap, down, up, slap. From here, we go up, down, up. So I take my fingers, I raise up to do my first up strum, then I go down and up like normal. So from the beginning we have down, up, slap, up, down, up, slap, up, down, up. Or 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that is pattern number 4. Pattern 5 is a combination of patterns 4 and 3. And for this one we have slap, up, down, up, down, up. So slap, up, down, down, up. So on the E minor chord we start the first half, we're going to start on a slap on beat 1. So that's 1, then we go up, down, up. So that's 1 and 2 and. This one we hold beat 3, similar to pattern number 3. So we go slap, up, down, up, hold beat 3. So 1 and 2 and 3. And then we go up, down, up to close the pattern. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and slap, up, down, up, down, up, slap, up, down, up, down, up, slap, up, down, up, down, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that is pattern number 5. The real fun with this is to combine multiple patterns within the same rumba. So for example, you can start by doing a simple pattern such as the down, down, up, down, up pattern, and then all of a sudden you might go into the down, down, up, down, up pattern, and that might sound like this. So you might do that, and all of a sudden your rumba is becoming much groovier. Similar to how jazz might play with the rhythm, we're doing the same thing here. We're still within the rhythm of rumba, but we are changing the patterns very slightly to add variations within the same music. And again, if you watched my easy percussive rumba strumming video, we did this pattern of going E minor to B7 to A minor. You can use that same pattern here and change up your strums. You can go. So all of a sudden, what was a fairly simple rumba is now becoming more and more complicated and more interesting to listen to. And that's all I'll give you in today's lesson. If you enjoyed, please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And I'll see you in the next lesson. Hasta luego.